like don't. You know what happened? We went to Selfridges, and Arif basically pointed out to me, "Okay, mom, why are all the mannequins the same size? Why aren't they bigger or smaller?" And I was like,
ये तो बहुत बड़ी टॉपिक है
मुझे
यार,
बताओ
तो मैं
भाई।
क्या
तो
बताऊं?
मुझे बताओ, have you ever struggled with weight?
To be honest, I देखो I haven't struggled like that जो तुम कह रही हो कि बहुत बड़ा
Have you
issue
always
था.
been the same size?
No, definitely not. And by the way, I work at it. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि Annie, you're always slim or whatever. Yes, genetically, ऊपर से honestly shoulder to waist, my mother, father, हम सब बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे नैरो पतले हैं. तो जब आपके shoulders वगैरह काफ़ी नैरो होते हैं तो naturally आप छोटे ही लगते हो. अगर आप ये काट दो मेरा और सिर्फ hip down पे चली जाओ तो I have like South Asian thighs and bum and all, but I do. Okay, जैसा कुछ देखो, I do work at it, but no, I haven't struggled with weight. But having said that, मेरी अम्मी है थोड़ी सी
3-4 दिनों बाद after eating good food, do you gain weight?
100%. So I know.
कितना?
मैं नहीं करती. Oh, ever since I entered my 30s, till 20s, 4 burger खा लो, pizzas खा. I love pizza. मुझे तेल पसंद. क्या बोलूं? I love junk. You can't eat so much junk, but मेरी मुझे अकल है ना कि अगर मैं खा रही हूँ burger तो I'll balance it with a green soup. I swear, for my second meal. I will not have 2 burgers in a day consistently.
Regimented or you motivated? What are you?
Since I left my 20s, when metabolism stopped, जो मेरी metabolism कम हो गई, जो कि हम सबकी होती है, उसके बाद I had to start thinking what I eat. जाहिर है वो जब आप छोटे होते हैं सब कुछ burn कर रहे होते हैं as a child, फिर आपकी especially women's metabolism भी different है, men की भी अलग होती है, but एक age पे आपकी वो slow down होती है, ये तो सब human beings की होती है. Some people are genetically very lucky, which weight चढ़ता ही नहीं है. Okay, but I do work अपने तरीके.
देखो, listen, if you gain like a kg or 2, वो तो पता नहीं लगता. वो तो maybe आपको when you're putting your jeans on, you might feel थोड़ा सा tight है, but visibly you can't like. I don't think I've ever seen you in all these years I've known you कि like Jan में Annie बहुत पतली है, March में थोड़ी मोटी. I can't say that because ऐसा है नहीं.
बस pregnancy के वक्त जाहिर.
Pregnancy में it was barely like. Have you seen my pregnancy?
But I had a kid at
my pregnancy.
7 months.
If you having a dull day, if you are having a sad day, please just look at my picture.
No, don't say that. फिर लोग कहेंगे you should laugh at like people that are. But can't say that.
But it's.
If you're having a dull day, laugh at me when I'm overweight.
No, because I tell you.
No, Hajra, we're gonna be crucified. No. That's not the point. लेकिन आज हम बात करेंगे.
No, you need to be you. I'm okay. I'm okay if I can laugh at myself.
You laugh at yourself. You can't laugh at other people.
I'm not laughing at anybody.
आज हमारा topic है ये.
But my topic is our topic is weight management today. ठीक है? The struggle of keeping the weight off. What you think should be your perfect weight. Whatever. ठीक है? But where you're comfortable, your body is comfortable. यानी कपड़े का size ले लिया पूरा. Wardrobe भर दिया, अब उसके बाद उसी में रहना है ना. I don't want to be like
we are going to talk about what we do.
Yeah.
हम जो हमें थोड़ी सी अकल है, हम like what do we do to keep ourselves fit? It's about fitness. It's not about weight. It's not about being a certain size because not everybody is. हमारे genes अलग होते हैं. Some people have actual like they have thyroid or something. उनकी medication जो वो लेते हैं that keeps the weight on and it makes it very very hard for people to lose weight. So everybody has that kind of stuff.
Everyone's different and everyone's it's childhood again from childhood. You were slim.
Yeah,
I was slim.
Yeah.
Did you eat everything?
When I was up till I was in my 20s, yes.
And
after that, no.
Did you have sweets and candies?
What अभी भी Haribo का पूरा खा लेती हूँ. Packet chocolates I'm obsessed with, but I have to be careful.
Child, I was a fussy eater, but candies and all the दुनिया की सारी candies इतनी खा ली थी कि मेरे दांत भी 5-6.
Do you have a sweet tooth also?
I used to love candies and sour candies, and I used to eat everything. And the weight I never put on weight. I was super skinny. I was in fact told कि इसको कुछ खिला दो, इसको कुछ खिला दो. And then in my 20s.
So wait, did you ever struggle with weight? Other than pregnancy,
I think I'm struggling with weight. I think till the day I die.
Are you?
I am. I'm gonna die struggling with weight and managing the.
People are gonna slap you as well and be like, "Dekho, you're not looking overweight neither." Because you post pictures all the time.
This is so personal. Okay. It's weight is not कि मैं जब मैं दूसरों को देखती हूँ, I feel everyone is fine. मुझे कोई मोटा पतला ये नहीं. Honestly, but somehow I think I struggle with body dysmorphia. ठीक है, when I
Ooh,
see,
yeah.
when I look at myself, मुझे समझ नहीं आती कि मैं क्या हूँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आती till I actually wear clothes and then it's a size of a clothes. अच्छा, maybe I'm this size because I fit in this size. But when I look at myself in the mirror, I can't see. When I got pregnant, Annie, this is I think it all started from then. I got pregnant, and I was like मैंने कोई maternity कपड़े नहीं खरीदे, ठीक है? Because I was just buying bigger sizes or elasticated jeans or leggings and jumpers.
Easy clothes.
Time हो
Yeah,
गया.
yeah.
फिर उसके बाद and I somehow I don't know why I was in denial. I thought the minute the baby will come out, ये तो सब निकल जाएगा ना. But ऐसा हुआ नहीं. So the minute the baby came out, वहीं की वहीं जो मैं pregnant लग रही थी, मैं फिर भी वही लग रही थी. In fact, my mother made the most kindest comment on me. Thank you so much for making it. She's like, जो 4 बच्चे मैंने किए, मैं तुम्हारी जैसी नहीं लगी.
आंटी, actually this reminds me, हमारी अम्मी ने कहा बहुत गलत बात है आंटी, ऐसे नहीं कहना चाहिए, किसी भी माँ दोस्त बहन ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, because आप वैसे ही
yes,
mentally भी
I
बहुत
went into postnatal depression.
because what your mom said.
No, because I felt actually you think yourself, you look at yourself, you know, I put मैंने अपना blazer, मुझे याद है मैंने लगा, वो यहाँ तक गया, वो फंस गया, वो तो यहाँ तक भी नहीं गया. I had gained 26 kgs.
Whoa. Was Aris a big baby?
I don't think he was like as big
How
as
much?
it.
He was
He's 7
like
point,
11?
7 point something, 5.
Oh, that's not like
Big baby,
yeah,
but
yeah.
I was big. And then it was.
You know what my father said to me?
Huh?
This is 3 days after coming, because Aiden was born 2 months early,
Huh.
and I wasn't even that big, and he said, "Annie, are you about to have another baby?" Like, how rude. 3 days after delivery, he said to me,
We're laughing now, but it's not funny.
it's not funny
It's
because
not
he
funny.
has a problem with weight, Baba. And actually, as you know, my husband has a little bit of issues with weight, but I'm not going to go into that. But he's also like, stay this way, stay. So anyways, आज we wanted to talk about what do we do for fitness. Forget weight, because जैसे कि हमने अभी कहा, not everybody can be a certain weight. अगर उनको लगता है magazines में सारी औरतें ऐसी हैं, और हमारे lawn के ads में they all look a certain weight. How do you, at different stages in your life, what have we done to be healthy? Let's talk about that.
Yeah, absolutely. And it was always looking better than before. Like my thing has always been, especially when just before even turning 40, I have had this thing in my head that every year before I turn
Another
older,
age, yeah.
I want to look better than before. I have this
Benjamin
thing.
Button you want to be.
हाँ, मुझे करना है. You know, मुझे या तो self improvement is a different thing, which it's a constant work, and which I enjoy and I'm loving it, and I think everyone needs to do that. Whatever you want, just a better version of yourself. But also, it's a challenge to myself to look better than my previous birthday. I want it.
Okay.
And I'm doing it for myself.
Sure.
It makes me happy. It makes me a happier person in the house. But weight has been a struggle. मुझे at least nearly 2 साल लगे थे वो वजन उतारने में. I was, पता क्या, 42 weeks I was pregnant.
2 साल तो लगेंगे ना, 27 kgs. Kgs नहीं, pounds.
42, no, pound नहीं था कि किलो, it's
27
kgs.
kgs.
बहुत ज़्यादा था. ये तस्वीर देख लें. So I gained all the weight. And I had a C-section, so again I couldn't really work out. But till my 42 weeks of pregnancy, I was walking. I had a PT. I was doing Pilates. So I was fit. So as soon as the baby was out and I was given the green signal, go and work out, I started my gentle workout. And good 8 months करने के बाद the scale just did not move. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. You know, and you are given the panjiri the mom makes you and you really enjoy it.
मैंने तो कहा था इसमें इतना शुगर है, क्या
ये
पंजीरी,
तो
मैंने
हमें
तो छोड़ ही दिया था. क्यों? उससे क्या होता है पंजीरी? By the way, it's too much.
उसमें चीनी होती है, उसमें सब ताकत की चीजें होती हैं. But the
हाँ,
point
इतनी
is
ताकत नहीं चाहिए थी मुझे.
कि you don't realize that your diet and your workout, if you're like killing yourself in the gym with your workout, but if your diet is bad, then don't go to the gym. There's no point. So I
Aja
kind
just
of
brought
realized
up a
that.
very good point that for any age, आपका diet matters 80% and exercise matters like 20% of importance.
Absolutely.
If you want to say कि अच्छा चले, I want to look a certain way, or health, wealth, whatever it is, diet. पानी पीना, खाना अच्छा खाना, और फिर you supplement that with working out.
Yes.
And your working out can be different in your teens, when you're in your 20s, and then when you're older, because फिर बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाती हैं. So What did you do before and what do you do
So
now?
in my 20s, there was a lot of cardio. There was a lot of weight training, and then I felt like for my body type somehow it just made me look bulky. Like I was fit, but I was bulky. Like, and I didn't want to look bulky. I wanted to look lean, and I
So the for
started
lean,
educating myself.
micro movements? Is there something to do with micro
So I
movements
kind
rather
of
than big movements?
because you're doing what everyone's doing. Now everyone's killing themselves in the gym. पसीने निकल रहे हैं जब तक निकल नहीं रहे, जब तक थक नहीं गए, जब तक टांगे दर्द नहीं गए, squats नहीं किए, lunges नहीं कर रहे, बस you workout नहीं हुआ, ठीक है? And you're doing it, you're killing yourself, but then also you're eating. You don't have accountability of how much you're eating. I then started researching.
Did you start keeping a diary?
No, I never kept a diary, but I started researching about food, about calories, and also in my head, I had all
And
the
not all
prices.
calories are equal, right?
Absolutely.
Like they're not all equal.
But
yeah.
I feel like because I've always struggled with weight, like keeping the weight like one weight. I don't want to gain like instantly 3 kgs looking at food, and I think I was that person. मैं देख रही हूँ थोड़ा खा रही हूँ, and I'm like when everyone goes out for lunches and dinners, if I'm picking on the bread and someone else is also picking, I'm also picking on the bread, but that bread is not doing me any good. I'm gaining more weight. My metabolism during my pregnancy, and the reason why I gained all that weight, my metabolism crashed.
Yeah.
So I gained everything I ate, and even if I was working out, it didn't matter. And now I had to undo it somehow for the rest of my life, where I had to come down. And I felt super depressed, Danny. I was so big for myself, for what I used to be. I thought to myself, ये तो कभी नहीं उतरेगा. I will never fit in the clothes I want to fit in because I don't want to buy new clothes. I want to fit in my old clothes. But somehow also feel mentally okay. I have to sit down. I have to care for this baby. I have to be in the house. But how do I manage reducing this weight by not spending hours in the gym? That's the diet. You really have to control what you're eating and not control in terms of starving yourself. You need to understand कि calories किसमें ज़्यादा है, किसमें कम है, and you have to enjoy all of that. You know what? In my 20s, whatever, late 20s, मैंने साई डाइट कर ली. मेरे ख्याल से मैंने कोई दुनिया की डाइट नहीं थी जो नहीं की. With my friends, I have my dear friend Saleha, she and I have been this one person जो हम दुनिया की साई डाइट्स हमने कर ली हैं.
Yeah.
Because we've struggled.
Talking about diet, diets don't work. मैंने भी juice.
But when I said
Diets
juice diet,
were-
remember you on the juice diet? You said
Do
working on
you
that
remember
5
मैं
day
बहुत ज़्यादा
juice
करती
diet.
थी.
हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं नहीं करती थी.
Yeah.
देखो जल्दी से मैं बता दूं कि जब मैं 20s में थी, as I said, I could eat anything. कुछ भी खा लो, the weight wouldn't stay. I was lucky, so I was irresponsible. Right after I turned, I think 30, उसके बाद I had to start working at it.
Yeah.
So I would drink a lot of water. देखिए 70 again मुझे पानी से obsession है.
Which is great.
70% of our body is made of water.
Water.
जितना आप पानी पियेंगे और आप खाना भी फिर थोड़ा कम ही खाएंगे, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीती थी. उसके अलावा देन एक मैंने चीज़ शुरू की है कि रेस्टोरेंट्स वगैरह में जब जाते हैं आप ब्रेड से शुरू करते हैं. यू शुड नॉट स्टार्ट एनी मील विद ब्रेड और अ कार्बोहाइड्रेट लाइक दैट, because you should start with protein or vegetables, because that raises your sugar level, एकदम से spike होता है, and it makes your hunger cravings more. Did you know that? Don't all restaurants give us bread in the beginning? एक bread basket आ जाती है, आप चाहे पाकिस्तान में हो, इंग्लैंड में हो, वो आ जाता है, और हम सब bread से शुरू लेते हैं. That makes you hungrier. Restaurants इसलिए करते हैं because you will order more food.
Absolutely.
They're very clever. So don't start with carbohydrates. Always start with protein. Salad, और अगर आप protein or salad.
Okay, this is again we're going deep and जा रहे हैं ना. Was trying to also establish Quran. Yes, salad, or because what it does, the fiber lines your stomach, and उसके बाद अगर आप bread बेशक खाएं, it doesn't spike your insulin, ठीक है? And then protein खाएं, make sure what you're eating. And during the day also, if अगर आपने मीठा खाना है, do it during the day. रात को नहीं खाएं, ठीक है? But let's थोड़ा सा ठीक है, let's go back now, and then we'll talk about exactly our diet.
Fitness के बारे में fitness के बारे में कह रही थी कि when you're young, you know, I used to run a lot.
ठीक है?
I would keep the weight off from that. जाहिर है अपना heart rate build करना बहुत
And run
जरूरी है.
how often?
Dude, I used to do 7-8 kilometers, not 10. मैं 7-8 में ही थी, like 3-4 times a week.
That's good work.
And I was in my 20s. So let's not forget that वो सारे burgers जो खा रही थी, भाग भी ज़्यादा रही थी. But then मेरे knees पे, when you get older, आपकी knees पे थोड़ा सा stress ज़्यादा हो जाता है. And apparently they say these people that run a lot बाद में, because of the pressure that it puts on your bones, आपकी बोन डेंसिटी और वगैरह फ्रॉम टू मच कार्डियो, एक ये भी चीज होती है,
Yeah.
ओवर कार्डियोइंग
Yes.
later on in life can lead to brittle bones and all of this. This is what I've heard, that you shouldn't do, like a lot of runners and stuff, later on their bone density isn't that great. But we will call in experts for this. But what I started doing was I started changing, and like you said, Pilates is amazing. Those kinds of exercises, rather than taking बड़े बड़े weights जो आदमी नहीं करते to get big muscles. Though for women it is more difficult to build muscle mass than men. We build it differently because of the way we are, the way we're programmed. But instead of huge weights and macro ये जो movements होते हैं, things like Pilates, small movements, small and more repetitions can lead to those leaner kind of bodies that you were talking about, which everybody, I think most people want lean or ज़्यादा मुझे वो bulk up भी नहीं होना. So then you have to go towards things like like Pilates and abhi ek how do you pronounce it? Calisthenics.
What is a calisthenics?
It's a different kind of workout.
I don't know.
We'll go into that
so,
later.
So you used to run? Did you
I used to run. I used to go to the gym and do things like yoga, cycling. Again, I was obsessed with cardio.
Now?
Yeah. And I wasn't that obsessed with weight training. Now that
you were then.
I wasn't.
You never.
For me, it was more running and keeping my weight. मैं तो भूल ही गई. I was saying कि my metabolism was so good, but actually I used to run a lot, right? बाद में now, as you get older, women's bone density becomes an issue. So I think weight training is the most important when you're a little bit older. Even when you're younger, weight training से आपका ये होता है कि so many things, भाई आपकी even your mental health, obviously आपकी fitness, वो हर चीज, but weight training is very important to ensuring that बाद में when you're even older, in your 50s and 60s and 70s, आपकी जो osteoporosis और ऐसी वाली problems जो होती हैं, they can be managed by working out slow and getting your muscles, building your muscles. Because आपकी muscles बहुत ज़्यादा reduce हो जाती हैं, bone density. So for me, the focus right now, where I am in my life, is that. To insurance policy for later. I don't want to be that person who's getting a hip replacement, who can't do the stairs, who's like
nobody wants to be that.
Nobody wants to be that person. But that is the difference between people that did weight training, I think. Yeah. In their 30s and 40s and when they were still relatively young.
And then we can talk about weight training. We can get someone actually on board.
Yeah. But that's what I'm doing right now.
But I want to let's go back a little bit, because then I will start the journey. When you gained whatever weight you gained, how much did you weight when you had Aiden?
I don't even know, because honestly, I didn't have the best, the pregnancy thing. We'll talk about another time, but Aiden came at 7 months, right? So I wasn't, and my whole pregnancy was also fraught with complications. So I guess the weight thing just didn't.
But never there.
Plus, isn't it true? I never made it. Remember, Aiden came at 7+ months. Isn't it true that 8th or 9th month में काफी सारा weight gain होता है? नहीं, मजा आ जाता है. तो वो मुझे मजा नहीं आया.
ठीक है, okay, fine. So you basically feel that that's the heaviest you saw yourself, right?
Of course, definitely.
Right? So that's what we're trying to get at. Heaviest after you had Aiden, and do you remember it coming off eventually, naturally, आराम से? Were you bothered about it? Did it take a toll on you at all?
Yes, because even for me, I didn't look the way I looked. I was used to looking that my face was like double the size and I was like soft and I hadn't worked out. Because मेरा plan तो ये था, जब मैं pregnant हुई थी, कि मेरा plan ये था कि डॉक्टर ने मुझे 2 चीजें कही थी कि जब आप pregnant हो रहे हो, जब आप now that you're pregnant, you don't need to eat for 2. ये myth है. औरतें बड़ी excited होके double खाना खाने लग जाती हैं, and that even my friends had said, do not double your meals. ऐसा कुछ नहीं करो. There is no.
What do you do when you have cravings? Now the problem is, okay, this is great. You're talking about great self control के like bread नहीं खाना, पानी ज़्यादा.
नहीं, bread वो सब pregnancy में इतना नहीं खाते. उन्होंने कहा था double नहीं खाओ, जो कि लोग बहुत ज़्यादा और खाते हैं.
ये तो problem है. This is the thing. कभी आपको पता नहीं चलता actually, right? We need to educate ourselves, which I feel like now finally it's taking पता नहीं क्यों so many years.
दूसरी चीज उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि
प्लेट में खाना कितना होना चाहिए.
उन्होंने ये भी कहा था कि अगर एजुकेट करना तो उन्होंने ये भी कहा था कि एक्सरसाइज भी करते रहें. बट मेरा बिकॉज ब्लीडिंग बहुत शुरू हो गई थी तो मुझे बेड रेस्ट बता दिया था. वरना यहाँ वेस्ट में डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं ये बेड रेस्ट जो चीज होती है जो औरतें ऐसे बैठ जाती हैं 8 महीने के लिए. You don't need to do that. But we do have a culture in Pakistan. Do we not?
Yeah.
कि बैठ जाते
I mean,
हैं.
I've not.
बस बैठ जाएं.
But I've
टांग
ड्रामा
ऊपर
में
करके.
देखा है मैंने. बेटा तुम अब आराम करो.
हाँ, तो उन्होंने कहा था इतनी आराम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ in my class, pregnant ladies would, but they would adjust the weights.
Yeah.
But they were doing full
They
night
are.
tak, popping
I've
tak.
seen them in the
They were, so I was told you don't need to overeat, you just eat yours plus 20-30% and you don't need to and continue the working out. Personally, I didn't because of my complications. That's a whole different thing. But if you're having a regular pregnancy journey, you should be able to continue your workout and that will ensure that after you have pop out your baby, then you will go back much faster.
Now, I have an absolutely opposite experience because I was working out good 5 days a week. I had a trainer. I was
Up till when?
Till 42 weeks.
Oh!
Of my pregnancy.
Oh.
That's why I am a bit shocked also because I was doing, I think, everything right. I was not eating for 10. I was eating for 1. And थोड़ा बहुत आपको पता था कि what you used to eat before and थोड़ा बहुत if you know कि ठीक है I'm feeling like not I didn't have any craving as such. In fact, the 3 first months I had so much nausea. But still, eventually I ended up gaining all that weight. And in my mind, I was working out, I was eating good, but hey, I've got all that weight on. Now what do I do? So to tell someone, again, it's not one design for all, na? Ki aise karo to aise hoga. Sometimes you never know. And as you said, thyroid ho jata hai, kuch ho gaya, whatever. So you never know.
But you have to help yourself. You still have to do those things, whether or not it works.
You have to do whatever. And I felt I ate right. I felt I worked out enough. And here I was with all this weight. Now I need to lose it.
Yeah.
It took me some time because after 8 months of killing myself in the gym after having a baby, I just thought ये तो उतर ही नहीं रहा.
Hajra, you said it took you 2 years to take off how much weight? Say it.
26 kg.
That's nothing.
I know.
People are going to say कि तुम पागल हो, हमें 10 साल लग गए, 15 साल लगे. That's not so bad, babe. That's good.
But society expects you to snap back because we have someone like Annie Joffrey.
No, I had my baby in 7 months and I don't want that.
But we have people who are all sorts. We are not one. All size, we're not all same. So हर बंदे का different होता है metabolism. हर बंदे का different होता है. You might be eating healthy, I might be eating the stale salad also, but वो नहीं कर रहा, वो नहीं हो रहा. So we need to understand that. We need to basically be kinder to people who are pregnant. We need to be kinder to new moms. Please, खुदा के लिए, do not compare people and tell them how they look. In fact, now
and Baba, do not act like my dad who said after 3 weeks of delivery said, लग रहा है you're about to have another baby. Like
number one, when you see a mother, when you see a new mother, please खुदा के लिए talk about the child, talk about how she's loving the baby, other things. Please don't सबसे पहले look at her. You look fantastic. You've already lost one. Don't give that anyone a pressure. Don't look at their bodies. Even when you meet people now.
It's okay to compliment people.
Yes, but sometimes.
You know, my cousin.
It's very heavy because again, I might tell you're looking great, but if you imagine yourself to be a certain way, you'll be like Sati, you'll outpour and say, no, I'm not there yet. I still have Bichara, मैंने एक trauma खोल दिया foreignly. I don't want to. Let's talk about something else. Even when we meet people each other right now, like you know, people don't realize when they meet you.
Yeah.
The first thing they'll say, oh, you've lost so much weight.
Yeah.
Let's talk about other stuff. We understand.
I tried. Do I do that?
No.
No, I know I know you're not saying that.
But I have gotten it so much.
I hope I don't do that.
मुझे तो ये समझ नहीं आता because you know
it's annoying. Yeah.
You get these comments by people and you're like, I generally now tell people, how obese, how fat was I? Every time you see me, you're telling me.
You know, people are obsessed with weight. Yeah.
So once I had the baby, then
that's the point.
I went for my physiotherapy because I had to like essay roll out of the bed because my back was gone. Anyway, that's another topic.
Yeah.
The whole pregnancy and the whatever.
Wait, so you still haven't told us what you did? What you do?
Now
what did you do in those 2 years?
Now we're here. Then I had my very dear friend also, Bishan. She was doing Pilates back then, and she was just doing Pilates. She's like, have you ever tried Pilates? I said no. And then मैंने कहा फिजियोथेरेपी को साइड पे रखते हैं, वहाँ भी पैसे लग रहे हैं, यहाँ पैसे लगाते हैं, पिलाटेस करते हैं, and
strength training. Pilates is pure strength training.
I was doing Pilates 3-4 times a week.
Yeah.
Because again, though those were gentle movement, but it needed your concentration when you're doing a class like that. you can't think of any bad thoughts. You have to think about and this and this. That's very therapeutic.
I
Number
think your
one.
mental
Huh.
sort of
And also
situation,
it's great, and I could see a difference. Gentle, gentle, gentle. My back was great. My posture was great back again. I was not rolling out of bed anymore. वो किया, फिर डाइट को ज़रा ठीक किया, अंडरस्टैंड किया, अपने आप को एजुकेट किया, ऑनलाइन गए, ये समझे कि कैलोरीज किस चीज़ में ज़्यादा है, किस में कम है, एंड देन रादर देन लाइक सेइंग कि जस्ट ओवरऑल जस्ट ईटिंग एवरीथिंग, नो, you need to understand salad ज़्यादा या
I'm a person who gets bored with doing the same thing, and I think a lot of people have that.
So also, I'm sorry, I'll cut you. I did that, and then I went back to my trainer, went to do boxing, boxing as well. Made sure my diet was decent, and then eventually lost the weight.
Okay, so you did a combination of different things, which is so I think the
a lot of walking.
The lesson from what you said is it's a walking बहुत The lesson from what you said is that you just need to be consistent.
You have to.
It's not about exactly. You have to be consistent, or try. You can try different things. You can keep. Fad diets only work for an event. ठीक है, एक event हो रहा है, अगर मैंने juicing कर ली 5 दिन तो हो जाएगा, वो water weight होगा. By the way, अगर आप जल्दी एक weight loss पे जा रहे हैं कि भाई मेरा event है या शादी है या whatever, आप कर सकती हो. बहुत ज़्यादा दुल्हनें because they're so motivated.
क्यों ना करें?
वो इतनी motivated होती है कि शादी है, तस्वीरें होंगी, वो लोग हमें देखेंगे, हमेशा के लिए वो हम स्नैपशॉट में आ जाएंगे, तो काफ़ी ब्राइड्स मोटिवेटेड रहती हैं शादियों के लिए. उसमें उनकी खाना पीना रुक जाता है भाई, थोड़ी सी वर्कआउट भी कर लेती हैं, व्हाटएवर, उनको हनीमून का भी सोच रही हैं, वो सब सोच रही हैं, और हो जाता है. फिर उसके बाद जो आप फिर रूटीन में आ जाते हैं, यू गोइंग बैक टू योर रेगुलर लाइफ वगैरह, यू माइट lose that motivation. So I think the key things are being consistent. And if you're like me, I get bored doing one thing. I have these bursts.
Yeah.
So I'll do Pilates for like 6 months, and then I'll get bored, and then I would do like boxing, and boxing is amazing as well, like micro movements and all of that, and all of this requires a lot of mental if you're stressed and stuff. The other thing is working out is really good because your mental stress or whatever is going on up here also gets released.
Yeah.
Obviously from that sweating and that energy, and you can focus anger. You can pretend you're punching some guy or girl or you're.
I tried, but I can't.
No, but I literally I'm just like, and I just take out some of that aggravation or stress or whatever that I'm feeling. So if you're like me, you can try different things. But I think the conclusion, like you said, is being consistent. Fad diets, मैंने किए, I lost weight, and then it comes right back, and it comes faster. So if you're going to do a juice diet, again, it's water weight, or एकदम से, it comes back, and you're even worse off, for whatever reason. So the best thing is little and continuous. Whatever you're doing, if you're just walking, if you're biking or whatever, like whatever I do, चाहे वो walking हो, अब तो मैं कह रही हूँ, I'm more interested in, rather than running, which I would lose, like I'll suddenly shrink, right, if you start running. The simple science of it all is obviously calorie deficit. If we're talking about losing weight, it's the calories that you take in
absolutely
have to be less than the calories that you expend. अगर आप बैठे हुए पूरे दिन ऑफिस में और फिर बाद में और आपने इतना सारा कुछ खा ले, तो जाहिर है एक तो नेचुरल आपकी कैलोरीज कंज्यूम होती हैं just by living, by breathing and living without moving, you lose calories. You do, just by breathing and being. But then you have to lose more depending on what you're eating. That's why the diet is most important. If you're eating just salads and chicken and grains and all of these things, you probably don't have to move as much to lose. But then fitness is a whole different thing. Like you have to. You also have to have the knowledge of what how much calories something has. When I go and visit Abbas, वो मुझे कहता है कि मुझे जाकर 4 croissant ला दो. मैं उसके लिए 4 croissant लाती हूँ from our bakery downstairs, and I tell him, do you know how much calories इसमें है? Like an average croissant has like 260 calories. And what type of calories are they? Refined like वो क्या calories हैं? Look at the quality of the calories also. 4 croissant. How is 4 croissant with jam ज़्यादा है भाई. 1000 तुमने भी सुबह उठी नहीं, तुमने तो 1000 से ऊपर कैलोरी खा ली है. Like इसलिए तो. But this is what people need to realize. Like calorie की we talk about it. But what is calorie? Like having breakfast with like your eggs or your toast or your granolas or your oats. Like how much calorie we don't know. Not a lot of people know, by the way. It takes time for people to educate themselves knowing how much. Because you might thinking, but I
I just had this, but you're like, do you know the portion kitna?
And bloating and a lot of bloating जो होती है, it has to do with intolerance. जिसके बारे में इतना, you know, even I was like, मैं इतनी bloated क्यों लगती हूँ? I swear, हाजिरा अभी भी मैं I wear like Spanx type of things, you know, to keep my stomach. I wear those kinds of underwears which keeps me tight in the tummy. मेरी tummy की problem है. But it has a lot to do with my diet. I went for this allergy test and intolerance test.
I need to do that.
Not everybody has a luxury, and sometimes they're very expensive.
Yes.
But उसमें क्या आया? Egg whites. I was like, I love eggs. ये क्या? Egg whites? Dairy. Dairy is almost for most human beings. अब इतना cow का जो उसमें क्या होते हैं? Caseins?
Yes. But now I feel like the last 2 years I've become intolerant to a lot of my favorite like things. Like I can eat vegetables all the time.
If you eat something too much, you also become intolerant.
But I have become intolerant to it, a lot of things, and I need to get the test done. I've just not gotten my head around doing it. But let's go back quickly. Let's do a little recap about. Okay, we've established.
I hope we didn't confuse you more.
No, what we're saying is. आप exercise ज़रूर करें, but also you have to make sure what is going in your body and the calorie, how much each thing has. Sometimes it's not easy because we eat out a lot. And, honestly, it's super difficult. But you're very good where you're saying, you know, you've had like a heavy breakfast, so you come home and have soup. So you'll know you figured it out how to balance it. Not everyone knows that. Okay? And ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि 4 दिन आप basically बुरा खाओ and weekend संभाल लेगा. कम खा लेंगे. No, it is not like that.
I mean, so 4 दिन अच्छा खाओ और weekend पे splurge कर लो. That's a better way. और दूसरी चीज ये है कि a lot of people make excuses. मैं भी करती थी when I hadn't gotten एक तो motivation, you need to bring that motivation. Health should be the biggest motivation. Longevity. अगर आपके बच्चे हैं या ना भी, you want to live a good life. We are all living longer, right? Because of modern medicine, science, वगैरह. We are all living longer. पहले जो हम मरते थे, अब हम काफी बाद में जाके मरे. But what's that quality going to be like? Are you going to be on a wheelchair? Are you going to be with a walking stick? Do you want to ensure that you are healthier for longer? Then you have to do these things. You have to be consistent. The one thing that I started now is अगर मेरे पास weights भी नहीं है, gym driver नहीं है. अभी मैं कराची गई थी for my mom's surgery and I didn't have the driver, so I was like मैं gym भी नहीं जा सकती. But you don't need to be stuck. आप अपने अब तो YouTube पे there's so many gurus and there's a lot of people who are giving you free training. So you actually don't need to spend any money and you can get fit. You can use, you know how hard push-ups are? Upper body strength के लिए. It's so tough. You don't need any weights. आप पहले नी से करें, सारी videos वहाँ हैं. You don't need to. पहले मेरा ये होता था कि hi, I don't have the weights. Hi, मैं gym नहीं जा सकती. चलो बस I'll just sit at home and do nothing. But no, you can actually अगर आप किसी 4x4 cell में भी बंद है, you can work out.
See, this is how we're very different again because you run by motivation and I have
obviously you're motivated. You just want to
I'm
look good all the time.
I'm regimented.
What do you mean?
I make a plan and I stick by it.
But you're motivated to carry out that plan.
Motivated. I'm regimented. Like I tell myself, like a military style. मैंने करना है तो करना है.
So,
and I will go for that workout and I'll tell my trainer I'm not feeling.
But you're motivated to carry out this regime. Obviously, Hajra.
Yes,
who's motivated?
But I feel
that somebody
like
I
am accountable. Yeah. It's
who has a gun to you?
Me myself.
So then you're motivated.
You motivate. You're excited.
The language thing right now.
Excuse me. When I was in the gym, and I'll just tell you what happened now. Is when I finish. My thing is this is my routine. I've passed God knows how many years now. Is I work out 4 days a week. So I have
amazing.
2 weeks I do my Pilates and 2 weeks I have a trainer. So I do boxing and I have very light weights. And then also during spring and summer, I go for walks. So 3 days a week, I go for an hour-long walk. And winter May, I try my best to go on the treadmill, but I'm not motivated. And the reason I say so is I had told myself, मैंने करना है. But after my boxing session,
4 दफा हफ्ते में है नहीं motivated.
ज़्यादा you feel like no, when you know you've eaten थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे, and you tell yourself, हाँ मैं कल जाकर after my session I'll do an extra walk. तुम्हारी कॉल आ गई तो मैंने कहा अच्छा बाद में करेंगे ना. So but मेरी motivation kind of like it can easily fizzle out. So it's sometimes very easy. If I make up my mind I'm going to do it, I can also deviate easily by telling myself pardon me.
Look, a lot of people do. Nobody has a luxury
I have
to
my weight sitting at home and I've never used it.
Yeah, but nobody has a luxury to work out all day long and spend and people usually don't have the luxury to schedule the entire day around a workout. Your workout, to make it sustainable, has to be slotted in your other life, right? People
Yeah.
have jobs, people have kids, people have other responsibilities, you know, whatever it is, right? Life gets in the way of everything, but your workout, you have to just, it's a whole mental thing. You got to slot it in like going to the toilet, or like, you know, I don't know,
Yeah,
doing
or
your
maybe
makeup.
weekend ko kar lo, maybe 3 days kar lo, maybe, you know, like try to fit it in. But yes, mainly what I'm trying to say.
And also, if you don't have the time to go to the gym for an hour, that's what I'm saying. You don't need to, because
Yes.
देखो gym जाना भी है, उसमें आधा घंटा लग गया.
हाँ.
वो गाड़ी पार्क कर रहा है.
Absolutely. Or even the
Change
cost of
को है.
it.
Yeah,
Even
and the
of
cost,
it,
and
you
the
know.
cost. Then you have to get back home. So that ends up taking a 40 or 20 or 30-minute workout has suddenly become a 3-hour ordeal.
Yeah.
And people are like scared of that.
No
They're like, we don't have
time.
the time. But if
Or
you,
Gracie Bal. Oh my God, my biggest concern
Yeah.
is my hair.
so don't do that. Come home, quickly do 30 minutes, watch a YouTube video, guys. Depending on your age, depending on, you know, whatever, wherever you are in life, just go and do something fun, and that's it. You just have to be consistent. He's telling us to stop now.
I understood now. Oh, right.
Yeah.
But you did. Did you have to say it?
Just to say, oh, it's okay.
So I understood it now.
It's okay.
Okay, हाँ.
How does it matter that
No,
I
we
said
don't
that?
cut it now. It's flow for the child.
वो भी तो मजे का था that he's told us to stop, Adra.
हाँ,
I'm
so
going to do
we
it
can
again.
say, हाँ.
I'm going to say it
So
again.
he said it now.
Cut हो गया?
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
I'm going to say it again.
He's अभी तो बोल दिया तुमने.
नहीं, but we can edit
He
it.
can put it in ना. वो natural
He's
था.
he's telling us to stop talking now. Okay, so can we stop talking? Yeah.
Why do we talk so much? I feel like I have so much to still, you know, talk about, and I've not. Have you concluded?
Consistency.
Yes.
It doesn't have to be expensive.
Research.
Yeah.
Please find out what food has more calories. Please educate yourself personally about food, and then don't kill yourself during your
Yeah.
workouts.
Yeah.
Work out as much as you can, but when you cannot work out a lot,
But incorporate it in
manage
your
it.
daily routine. You don't have to go to the gym. You don't have to spend a lot of money. That is BS. You just have to do simple things at home.
हाँ.
If you can't get out of the house, घर पे कर लें. देखो नमाज is even fashion. अगर आप 5 दफा कर रहे हैं दिन में, you're going up and down. You're doing
that
all
calls
those
movement. If
movements.
you're moving around the
Yeah.
house, cleaning your
Yeah,
house, tidying
yeah.
up your house, you're still moving. You're not sitting down.
And
It's like
again,
you're not sitting down.
It's the age of technology, so use it to your benefit.
Yeah.
Everything is online. There's free. I'll send you links if you need. Tell me your age. Tell me, you know, gender, and I will send you free links, and you can do that. Do them at home. थोड़े से weights खरीदने हैं, मतलब जहाँ से भी खरीदने.
And not the body ones. Like you can have like the
And then you
1
can
to 2
build up.
kilo dumbbells. You don't
Yeah.
have to do.
You don't need
anything
to buy
like
a fancy personal trainer, whatever,
No.
or buy a personal trainer. You
Get
don't need
one.
to pay
You
for
don't
a
have
personal
one.
trainer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little movement, a bit, you know,
Bus,
the
bus, bus.
most cost-effective walk is more than enough. And we can
Bye.
talk non-stop, but we need to stop.
This was Annie and
Haja.
Unscripted.
Unscripted. Bye, guys. See you later.
Oh my God, we have so much.
Yeah.
Anisha.